Gonna get a lot of people saying something in just a minute. All the way up. Good.
Ooh, yo.
Now, whenever you're ready, you're gonna lay on your stomach.
Okay. Oh my gosh, wait, yo, hold on, chat. Chat, shit. Yeah. Just starting to crack, y'all. That was crazy.
That's just the beginning.
Okay.
And lift your legs up again.
Oh.
Much better. Alright, so for this one, you're gonna feel some downward pressure. So you'll take a deep breath in, and when you blow all the way out, you'll feel it, okay?
Okay.
Deep breath in. All the way up. One more time.